MIL cluster indication, remedy, and assistance. Modern Eicher trucks and buses are smart enough to self-diagnose potential problems in the vehicle and inform the driver about those problems through indications that are displayed in the vehicle's cluster display. To keep your vehicle in good running condition without breakdowns, you need to understand different warning signs, their meanings, and the actions to be taken by the driver. Let's begin, starting with the MIL indication. MIL stands for Malfunction Indication Lamp. The purpose of this warning lamp is to indicate a detected problem or a malfunction related to the engine or the vehicle and alert the driver about the problem. This warning lamp will illuminate momentarily when the ignition is switched on and goes off after some time. A glowing MIL lamp can indicate many things, from a simple condition like low diesel exhaust fluid to a serious problem in the engine. Let's now learn about the conditions when MIL is on. Diesel exhaust fluid or DEF quantity in the tank is very low. Immediately refill the diesel exhaust fluid. Incorrect DEF quality. Drain the existing DEF from the tank and refill the tank with genuine diesel exhaust fluid. Ignoring part regeneration. Do the part regeneration whenever the yellow regeneration lamp is on in the cluster. Fuel quantity very low. Check and refill the diesel tank. A problem in the engine and exhaust after treatment system. Check the engine and the exhaust system for any leakage, noise, or damage. Engine oil pressure too low and engine overheating. In this condition, along with the MIL indication, the stop lamp will be on. You will also hear the buzzer sound. Immediately stop the vehicle and check the engine oil and coolant level, and then refill if required. If the problem persists, contact Eicher Care. Critical electrical faults. If any critical electrical fault occurs in the vehicle, a related error code will be shown in the cluster display. In such cases, contact Eicher Care or visit the nearest Eicher workshop. Additional precautions. Do not tamper the harness. Do not do the welding without removing the engine control unit connections. Do not take any additional connection from the battery. Instead, always use add-on connectors. Do not tamper fuses in the fuse box. For safety reasons, always use add-on connectors for accessories. Stop and check lamps on. In case the stop lamp is also illuminated at the same time as the MIL indication, then immediately stop the vehicle and take the necessary action. On the other hand, if the check lamp is on, stop and physically check the vehicle. If required, take the vehicle to the nearest Eicher authorized workshop or call Eicher Care. Happy driving!